Karen Donovan with the Donovan team, bringing you another episode of Keeping in Tune with the Market, designed to bring relevant real estate information to buyers, sellers, and realtors to help you keep in tune with the market. Hi, this is Karen Donovan. Today's episode is going to be covering how you can prevent home repair fraud. Stay tuned. Whether you're facing a summer hurricane or a winter storm, we all as homeowners experience damage at some time or other to the exterior of our home. I wanted to bring up something that happened to one of my clients to prevent this, hopefully, from happening to you. She was an elderly lady and her roof was damaged in a storm. A roofer came by and offered to fix it for her at a ridiculously reduced price, which she of course agreed to and signed a contract. In return, her insurance company gave a check that was made out to the roofer and to her, but she never got her roof fixed. So I would hope that nothing like this would happen to you, so I wrote down 3 red flags to be aware of so that you can prevent home repair fraud. So, red flag number 1 would be if a contractor comes by into the neighborhood and makes a now or never offer that he will make this repair at a reduced price while he's in the area. Please don't fall for that. I'm sure you won't. Second of all, if you do decide to have a contractor make the repair on your home, make sure that if your insurance company issues a check and it's made out to both the contractor as well as to you, that you do not sign it over to him until the repair has been made correctly and it's been inspected by a licensed contractor to make sure that you're not being taken advantage of. Red flag number 3, and this is very important, if the contractor had materials that he needed for your job, make sure that he shows you a paid receipt for those materials so that you won't get stuck with a lien on your house because he took off and took your money but didn't pay for the materials. So, I'm sure this won't happen to you, but I just wanted to make all my friends and clients aware of this situation so that you'll be aware and you'll be able to warn your friends as well. Well, thanks for listening today. Remember to keep in tune with the market, and until next time, make it a great day.